Hi folks, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. We are looking now at fibrocartilage. One thing that our cartilages will all have in common is that they will all have those chondrocytes, because those are the cells of cartilage, and those chondrocytes will always be found in lacunae within the matrix of the tissue. However, we're going to go ahead and recognize some unique qualities of fibrocartilage that we didn't see in hyaline cartilage. That way we can tell the two apart. And then we'll do the same with elastic cartilage here in just a moment. Fibrocartilage, it's also sometimes called fibrous cartilage. And I think that's helpful because when I look at this tissue underneath the microscope, I can almost see in the matrix here, here's our matrix, I can almost see painted on collagen fibers. And that gives the tissue a fibrous-like appearance. Unlike in hyaline cartilage, where the collagen fibers don't stain very well, you can't really see them. In fibrocartilage, it looks fibrous because you can see the collagen fibers. And again, I think they kind of look like they're painted on or in the matrix. And then the chondrocytes in lacunae, it looks different here. In hyaline cartilage, they're evenly distributed. In fibrocartilage, the chondrocytes in lacunae, they are going to be smaller. They're the smallest of all the chondrocytes. And they're just kind of scattered in the matrix. To me, they kind of look like sprinkles, or it really just looks like someone took fibrocartilage chondrocytes and just dropped them onto the matrix, and they just, wherever they landed and fell, that's where those chondrocytes remained. We can see them pretty small here, scattered throughout, but again, I went ahead and blew it up for us. That way we could see them a little bit better. Once you find the nucleus, you know you're looking at a cell. I can go ahead and I can circle one, or again, we can just kind of draw a line from one, but these are going to be our chondrocytes in lacunae. And all of this tissue that we can see here, all of this tissue is going to be that fibrocartilage. And fibrocartilage is found in the pads within the knee joint. We call those pads the meniscus. That meniscus in your knee joint, that pad is made of fibrocartilage. It's also between our pubic bones, and that pad of fibrocartilage is called the pubic symphysis. It's also found between the vertebrae, and it forms discs between the vertebrae, and those are known as intervertebral discs. Inter means between, and that then translates to discs between the vertebrae. They are made of fibrocartilage as well. And fibrocartilage is important because it helps prevent bone-on-bone contact, it limits movement, and it helps resist compression.